Are you troubled? Is something bothering today? You're not able to find the right answers to the problem that you're facing. Let's learn it from nature. If you see the ants, we have learned so much from the ants itself. They go in trails, they go in straight lines. If you see this ant trail, and if you can just follow this, what you'll see that the ants always work in groups, going along with the flow of nature. Now, to understand the obstacles and the problems that we face as humans, this is also what I learned from Bruce Lee. I tried to keep an obstacle here, a stick, which initially blocked the path of the ants' trail. Now, the ants gathered around and they tried to figure it out. They tried to go under it, below it, over it, from the side. One thing they did not do is stop. In the obstacle itself lies great answers. Now, Bruce Lee always had to say, be like water, formless, shapeless. If you put water in a teacup, it becomes a teacup. If you put the water in a jug, it becomes a tea. It becomes a jug. What he meant to say is water can flow, water can crash. And the same principles the ants have applied. Whenever there's an obstacle in between their path, they will not stop. They will try to figure out how they can cross the obstacle, over, below, around it. But one thing for sure, they will not stop. So today, in case if anything is bothering you, anything is troubling you, the obstacle itself most of the times are there in your life as stepping stones. The solutions most of the times will be there within the obstacle. So today, whatever you are facing, challenges, relationships, money, anything that you are facing in your life, try to pause, try to listen, and try to be there where you could figure it out. Within the obstacle itself will lie the answer. All that you have to do is be persistent, consistent, and most importantly, believe in your own self.